What's going on? Beautiful day. Hanging out in the falls, in the jungle. It's better in the jungle. I like mixing business with pleasure. If you've done some trips to El Salvador, maybe done some business with me or my team, you'd already know that. I gotta watch out here. I'm on some super slippery rocks here. I don't want to break my neck. Okay, so today we're talking about lowering your tax rate by domiciling your business or your life in El Salvador. So in case you've been living under a rock, like this one behind me here, a couple years back, Bukele set up a new corporate structure, tech and innovation. So essentially, if you're starting any kind of business regarding AI or data processing, software development, etc., something technology and innovation, then we can set you up for success with a 0% tax rate. That's across the board. So 0% income tax, 0% capital gains tax, and 0% import tax on your business. So let's say you want to set up a wallet for a crypto exchange, or you want to set up a AI business like A&M Capital, or you want to set up basically anything that is related to tech and innovation, we can set you up. It's 15 years, no tax, baked in the cake, okay? It's a little extra work to set it up over a traditional SRSV, but it's worth it in the long run. It's going to save you a ton of money on taxes. So if you're tired of getting taxed to death, this is probably a video you want to pay attention to. If you're a digital nomad, if you're a company looking to save money on taxes, we got a home for you in El Salvador. It's a great place to domicile your business. You don't have to live in El Salvador, but we'd love for you to come and set up shop, set your business up in El Salvador. Okay? So we can also set up a variety of different things through our lawyers, bank accounts, trusts, different types of corporations, traditional SRSVs, if you should choose, but they won't all be eligible for the 0% tax. You got to take advantage of the tech and innovation. Okay? Now, this is not financial advice. I got to make a disclaimer on that, although my lawyers are some of the best in the country and very well connected. I personally am not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. I got a ton of them that work with me that can set you up for success. But the disclaimer is this is just for educational purposes only. Okay? I'm just a guy out here with a camera in the jungle promoting and building El Salvador. About 5 years now, almost 5 years, I've been an ambassador to El Salvador in the private sector, bringing in dozens of families, millions of dollars. Super proud to be rebuilding El Salvador. If you'd like to be part of the renaissance, it's going to be the Bukele elections coming up shortly. Okay, so we're probably looking at another 6 years of Bukele. The timing's right to set up a company. We're the safest country in the Americas. We're bringing law and order, and we're going to be the Singapore of the Americas. That's what we're building here, okay? Small country, but we got business-friendly environment. We have low income taxes, just like Singapore did years ago, just like Hong Kong did years ago, Panama did years ago. Panama, coming for you, okay? We're taking that money from the Panamanian banks and we're parking them in Salvadorian banks, okay? You want to set up a Salvadorian bank account? We got you set up. No problem. I got connections. And we get it done quick, right? If you want to do it yourself, and save yourself a couple of bucks, that's great. But we get it expedited. We got all the right connections at the bank, okay? So if you're a digital nomad and you want to pay less tax, or you're a company that wants to set up some kind of tech business, you want to pay zero tax, less tax, send us a message. Links down below. We got you covered. All right, at Intersection Legal, best lawyers. We got 1,000 lawyers in El Salvador on speed dial. Nobody else has that. I guarantee you. Okay? So that's the message today. 0% tax. Come down to the new land of the free. Love to see you in El Salvador. Gregio out.